Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox GoPro Hero 5 sessions. You know, I recently unboxed Akaso V50 and I actually was not that happy with its performance. And these guys had a great reduction on Amazon.com. You can check it from the link below. So I said, okay, I'm gonna go get an upgrade for a GoPro instead of a GoPro clone. So let's see if it is actually worth it. I have my Kiyosora knife here, always with me. It's an amazing ceramic knife. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I was actually tempted to open this box alone because, frankly, I've been very excited about this camera. But I always try to unbox things when the camera is on because I believe that my initial reactions are a lot more honest that way. We actually have a seal here. Before we open it, let me show you the box around. I mean, this is my hand, so it's actually a slim box. You wouldn't expect it to be this slim, but it is slim. It's a lot slimmer than the GoPro, regular GoPro boxes or the Akaso's box. All right, I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and rip this part apart. Right. So now that it's ripped apart, let's go ahead and see what's in there. Okay, the box opens as such. Yeah, there is a finger hole for you to pull it out. Oh my god, I don't know if you watched my Akaso V50 video, but it took me like 3 minutes to get through the other box. This is a lot nicer. Of course, this is a good model. There's nothing else in the box. The box, okay, this part is actually fixated to the carton side. Yeah, I can see the adhesive material here, so this doesn't take, you can't really take this off. All right. Hello, GoPro. It is actually my first GoPro camera, so I'm excited. When I opened it, okay. Oh, it's a nice promise. They say if you break it, we will replace it. Dear GoPro, I will not try to break it, but it's good to know that you will replace it if I do. Here we have a small, I think, quick start guide. Yeah, it could be called a quick start guide. It requires an SD card. We know that. I already have an SD card. Apart from that, yeah, just take a look and let's go ahead with the unboxing. Here are 2 stickers if you're a big GoPro fan. We'll see after this product. I may decide on using the stickers somewhere. Here's a long product manual. And the box opens like this. We have, one spheric mount for like your helmet or something. And 1 flat mount for surfaces. You know, it's flat. And a USB charging cable. And I think now I can get that GoPro off. I mean, I watched many unboxing videos of this item, so I know what to do in my opinion. First, you need to take this part off so that the thing actually slides out. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. And it is advised to get 1 more piece out. I don't know if you have the best view. But yes, this piece is also unnecessary. You throw that away along with the other useless piece, which is actually not that easy to get out. Okay, got it. All right, so it's all detached now. Let's see what is available. Those are trash. So this is what's in the box. All right. We can actually take the casing off. Is there an easy way to do this? I think this is a clip. I mean, it is a clip that I can tell, but I don't know how to use. Oh, okay. You actually pull the part here. Yeah. Capito. And there should be, okay, it pops out. Here we are. All right. let's go ahead and compare this camera's footage with the iPhone 8 Plus. Alright, let's go ahead and test it on 1080p, 60 frames per second, linear mode. I'm actually gonna go out. So this is the linear mode. I'm holding it. I think you can see it. Yeah. Alright, thank you.